marriage is a gift of God to us. That's why a man shall leave his father and his mother and hold fast to his wife, and they shall become one flesh.
Today is a very, very special day. In the presence of God and of the cherished loved ones, after 12 remarkable years, I stand by you, being your own person. I am so grateful by your loved ones to start this next chapter together.
Ways, you know that I love you more than enough. And I know that God has ordained this love. I desire to be your husband, your hubby, your Ways.
Your love story is a statement to the power of love, trust, and understanding. It is a story that has been written over time, filled with laughter, tears, and countless memories.
Our journey to this moment was God ordained and was destined. We faced the toughest of times and has celebrated triumphs and challenges together, and has become each other's confidant, partner, and best friend as well. To support you in every way possible, to be present and to be there for you, to take care for you, faithfully serve you, and annoy you in a most loving way.
Together, we will be vessels for His service in accordance with His plan.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres.
Half of our life we've been together. Half of your life, I know you, but Kebauko in the future, it's not gonna be perfect. It's never gonna be perfect. In the future, we will have challenges. I hope that you will be ready. I pray nga ibutang nato si God sa sentro sa atong kinabuhi. Every day. Ways, kibaw ko muna ni atong gipaabot. This is the moment of truth. Kumbaga, this is already dream come true for us.
Waiting for this moment my whole life, I swear. Never letting go of you, nothing compares.
Marriage, therefore, is sacred. Always remember that. It is not to be entered into lightly, unadvisedly, nor thoughtlessly, but reverently.
How can I explain?
Every day, I thank the Lord for your presence in my life and commit to doing my utmost to support you in every conceivable way. I promise to stand by your side through every joy and trial and triumph that life unfolds us.
I promise to be faithful to you. I promise to love, guide, and protect you as Christ does His church. And to love you as a part of myself because in His sight we shall be one.
You're my strength when tides are rising. See the best inside me, and you are all I need. How can I explain the way you're everything?
As your wife, I solemnly vow to respect, to honor, to love you unconditionally today, and I entrust you not only my hand, but my heart and love, but with all the tomorrow that fade and fails before us.
And since I've seen you, I know it's true. Heaven came to me. Our hearts colliding, our lives uniting. The biggest gift to me. How can I?
My love transcends the boundaries of time and space. With you, I find solace and I eagerly await to the countless adventures that await our unified journey. I love you, my husband to be.
He's given me my biggest blessing. You
By the power
let me
vested in me and in the presence of these witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife